Welcome to Theory of Knowledge. TOK is taught by teachers across several different departments. We ask the questions, what do we know and how do we know? TOK sits in the core of the IB program, along with CAS and the extended essay. Critical analysis is woven into the whole course, where students will be making connections between knowledge, academic disciplines, and the real world. Our two assessments are the exhibition, usually done in the 11th grade, which is internally assessed, and the essay, which is an external assessment done in the 12th grade. We start off 11th grade with the theme Knower and Knowing to build our foundation of knowledge and our personal perspectives. And then we add two other themes. The theme may vary by class, but they would be two of these: knowledge and language, knowledge and technology, knowledge and politics, knowledge and indigenous societies, and knowledge and religion. The exhibition, which is done toward the end of 11th grade. The exhibition aims to assess how you can apply TOK concepts to the real world, and this is done by linking 3 objects to one of 35 prompts. In grade 12, we will focus on areas of knowledge, specifically history, natural sciences, human sciences, the arts, and mathematics. We will look at the knowledge frameworks within each of these areas of knowledge to learn about the scope and the ethics, the methods and tools for gaining knowledge, as well as the perspectives from each of these areas of knowledge. The TOK essay is done in 12th grade. The essay is 1,600 words, and it is in direct response to one of 6 prescribed titles. This will give students an opportunity to dive deep into 2 areas of knowledge. They will link real-life situations or examples and connect them to how we know the things we know, addressing the nuances and the limitations. Unlike other subjects, TOK is assessed on a scale from A to E and works with this matrix with the extended essay. If you have any questions specific to the course or the assessments, you can direct them to the teacher for your particular class.